Okay, today's random appliance repair video is going to cover some dog hair cutters. While I am no expert in cutting dog hair or fixing dog hair cutters, it's worth a try. So, the problem that, from what I understand, is that they stop cutting when a lot of hair enters the unit. So, well, first we gotta take it apart, and then we'll go from there. See if we can get a better video angle. I have an additional light on the bench today. Hopefully that'll help the lighting, because I know the lighting in some of the past videos was quite awful. There's 3 screws at the top here, 1, 2, and 3. Undo those first. No, not with that screwdriver. This one should work. Okay. This is the internals of one of these things. The way they work is really quite simple. Here we have a typical electric magnet, and this piece here on the left side is it moves, as you can see there, and that piece is attached to one of these blades, so in turn it moves and supposedly cuts the hair. The reason this works is because this is a 60 hertz electrical flow into this, so it's constantly changing polarity. It's really off of the same concept as a regular electric motor. So this vibrates in and out as this changes polarity, which happens quite quickly. So this will probably take this apart a little bit further, undo the blade, and go from there. I think these 2 screws here are the only thing that's holding on the blade, so we'll undo these. And that has released it. Now, of course, there's a ton of hair in here, which is probably not helping its functionality, but I believe the problem that we have here, well, maybe that's not the problem. I thought there would be a little bit of play in between how this attaches onto this plastic piece, but that would appear to not be the case. So it must mean that there needs to be some sort of an adjustment made in here on this magnet thing. I'll see if I can take a look and see if there's anything that we can adjust. There is a little bit of adjustment you can make here on the magnet. It can go back a little bit or forward. I mean, it's a very minute difference, but it is a little bit of a difference, so I'm going to move it back, hopefully increasing the distance the blade will have to move will improve the performance. Though I'm not sure, the answer may be to move it forward, but since I don't know, I'll have to just give this a try and see what the results are. While I have this open, I might as well show you how it works. I'll go ahead and plug this in. Hopefully it's in the off position. Oh, good golly, that's way too loud. That sounds horrible. Maybe that's why it's not working. Well, let's put the blade on and see if that makes a difference. Okay, the blade is back on. Let's see how it sounds now. That's much better. Now, as you can see, the way this is working is the right portion is being attracted and repelled from the electromagnet and stator on the left, which causes the blades to move. I don't know if you guys see that on the camera. Well, if it would focus, that would help. There we go. Well, I don't really have any way to test this. I'll try cutting this hair. Seems to be working. Yeah, it's definitely working. I don't know how well it's going to work, but we'll try that. I'll unplug it again, and I'll put the cover back on. Now, if this doesn't solve the problem, I'll have to make a revisit video on this and try something else. But for now, that's going to be all on these hair trimmers. Over and out.